Yeah, here we have a 7-inch by 12-inch bandsaw made by ENCO. I'm going to power it up just to show you that it does operate. It operates very nicely. There's a hydraulic down feed. And a coolant pump. So the coolant pump does operate. We're not going to let it run dry. And as the head goes down, that shuts the machine off. This unit has a little bit of minor shipping distress. First of all, there's a plastic motor fan shroud, and the fan itself, well, it pretty much disintegrated on impact, and it is missing, as well as the junction box here. And this ground's going to need to be reconnected. It's not a big deal. The unit still runs very nicely. There's a few little paint scratches on it. Here, here, over here, and there's a small dent right here, and underneath the corner there's a small piece of metal that's bent. Other than that, the machine is in really good condition. The device operates very nicely. As we said, the coolant pump operates. Hydraulic down feed. And it includes 4 casters, 2 axles, and there's a belt guard, material stop, there's also a vertical cutting plate. You can also do vertical cuts with this machine, and the instruction and parts manual. And we thank you for looking at our